Panasonic heat pumps for sale. If you're looking to enhance your home's comfort while lowering your energy costs, Panasonic heat pumps offer the perfect solution. At Twintech Heating Cooling, we provide professional installation and support for Panasonic systems across the Durham Region and Toronto, helping homeowners stay comfortable year-round with cutting-edge, energy-efficient technology. Why choose Panasonic heat pumps? Exceptional energy efficiency. Panasonic heat pumps use advanced inverter-driven technology to adjust heating and cooling output based on real-time needs. This means less energy waste, consistent temperatures, and significant long-term savings on utility bills. Reliable year-round comfort. Panasonic heat pumps offer both heating and cooling capabilities, making them a versatile choice for the variable climate of Ontario. Whether it's a scorching summer day or a freezing winter night, these systems are built to perform efficiently and reliably. Cold climate performance. Engineered with Canadian winters in mind, Panasonic's cold climate models can continue heating even in sub-zero temperatures. With features like base pan heaters and intelligent defrost cycles, they're designed to operate effectively even when the weather turns extreme. Whisper quiet operation. Panasonic heat pumps are designed with low-noise technology, making them ideal for bedrooms, home offices, and open-concept living spaces. You'll barely notice they're running, even when working hard to keep you comfortable. Healthier indoor air. Many Panasonic models include advanced air purification technology that reduces allergens, bacteria, and odors. Great for families concerned about air quality. Their innovative filtration systems contribute to a healthier and more enjoyable indoor environment. Flexible system options from compact single-zone mini-splits to multi-zone inducted systems. Panasonic offers a wide range of heat pumps to suit homes of all sizes and layouts. Whether you're upgrading an existing unit or installing a new system, there's a model that fits your space and needs. Why homeowners trust Twintech Heating Cooling? At Twintech, we understand that proper installation is just as important as choosing the right equipment. Here's what sets us apart. Certified Panasonic installers. Our technicians are trained to ensure precise, efficient installations for maximum system performance. Local experience. We serve all areas of Durham Region and Toronto, offering tailored solutions based on your home's unique requirements. Rebate incentive support. We guide homeowners through available energy rebate programs to help lower initial installation costs. Full service support. From consultation to post-installation maintenance, we're with you every step of the way. A perfect match for Ontario homes. Ontario's unpredictable weather demands a heating and cooling solution that adapts, and Panasonic heat pumps do exactly that. Their energy efficiency, quiet performance, and reliable operation make them a smart choice for homeowners looking to invest in long-term comfort and savings. Get a free estimate on a Panasonic heat pump today. If you're in the Durham region or Toronto and considering a Panasonic heat pump, Twintech Heating Cooling is here to help. We make the process simple and stress-free, from selecting the right model to securing rebates and completing expert installation. Contact us today to book a free consultation and find out how a Panasonic heat pump can transform your home's comfort and efficiency.